Block work has been done. The next step is up to the contractor to start the framing of the shell of the new addition. So let's get started and see what happens. As you see, the boards have been cut into the old camp where it's going to attach. These are the floor joists laid out, and then plus the board on top of the block has been added and bolted down. But we are making progress. This is the view of the floor joists from the basement. As you see, the floor has been completed and we are starting on the walls. We've lifted up one wall, and here is wall number 2 up. We're up and running. After the third wall is up, we are now starting on the rafters and the roof. The next few steps he did is, number 1, he put the MDF boards around the building after we got the third wall up. I don't know whether that was for stability or not, but then we went ahead and I did a system on putting the ridge board up. We put the ridge board up, leveled it out and everything else, and then he started laying the roof rafters. So that's kind of what you're seeing now. He's cutting off the roof rafters at the end. He's cut them. It took him a while to get the right cut on the roof rafters. He had to put the I don't know what you call it, the bird's eye joint or something on there on the bottom. So he did, and there's about a foot overhang. That's what he's putting them on. So he's going through and cutting each one. So then after this, I suppose, I'm not sure what his next plans are, but that's where we are today. Okay, man, with the plan, the contractor just finished up with his day today on the construction of my addition onto my camp. I'll give you a review of what's done today. As you can see, today the roof was put on. It's complete. He got the eaves finished on this side. He did not get them finished on the other side. He has to frame it up, but he got the roof on, and he did get this end here framed in, and also framed in for where the window goes. Tomorrow, he says he's going to make sure the other side is framed in, and then I don't know where he's going from there. But I guess we'll see. He's making good progress. He still thinks he'll be done by the end of this week. Today is Monday, so that gives him 4 more days. I don't think it's going to be, I think he's going to have to order the tin for the roof. So I don't know how he's going to get it done, but maybe he already has it ordered. I'm not sure. I guess I'll find out. Here's a better view of what he accomplished today. You notice the framing done up above where the third window is going to go. Okay, old man with a plan, we're going to take a look at today's progress. So just hang on to see how we're making out. Okay, you can see today the contractor did put up some plywood up there on the up by the upper window above the 2 on the end here. He also got the roof shield on, so the roof is now going to be waterproof. And he also, we'll walk inside to see this here. He also got this part framed in. This was a little bit of a bear for him to frame in because you're going off 2 different roofs with 2 different slopes. He knows I'm putting a door in right there, about where those windows are sitting. So he did put me up a header up above so I can put the door anywhere I want to. But it is framed up there, and he got the roof shield on, and he also got this end plywood up. So he made some more progress today. This took him quite a while. This took him about 4 hours to get that done. He had to take a lot of the old roof off, cut pieces off. So it was kind of a pain, but I think he did a nice job. We'll see what tomorrow brings. Now I had a job today too while he was working. Remember, this is contracted out. I'm having him put up the outside. I'm going to be doing the inside. And I'm going to be doing the wiring, the plumbing, the finishing, the flooring, all that other stuff. So I've been doing some work just to cut down the price, like the sealing of the basement with the tar, the drains. I've hauled the gravel. Now today, I hauled quite a few loads of rock down. Now, I don't know whether you'll be able to see inside because it is getting a little dark. But inside my basement, there was those 3 foot down drops. Now, I've been hauling rock that I've had laying around, so I got a lot of my rock picked up from around here, and I'm using that as a base, so when I put the stone in, I don't have that as much. So I did pick up a lot of rocks today. I also cleaned up around, picked up some of his scraps and stuff like that. So I'm trying to do my part and help out as much as I can. He is charging me labor, so he's been fair. He works hard. He doesn't seem to stop. He doesn't take a lot of breaks. So as of right now, I'm satisfied with his work. His work has been good. I've been keeping an eye on it, and it is quality work. So hopefully he finishes as well as he started. I don't see no reason why I would not. I suspect that to be happening. So that's what we have. Everything is looking good. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. Okay, here we go again. Another day of Contractor Progress. As you see, he's got the peak. He's got everything wrapped. He's got this end done. And he's got, like I said, everything's wrapped the whole way around. Tomorrow, it's supposed to rain all day, so there's not going to be much done. He thought about possibly coming in and putting in some windows, but he's not sure yet. As you see, the whole building is wrapped. The material's on for the roof. And he sealed up good up on the upper area where it attaches to the roof real well. I'm real pleased with the way everything's sealed up. He's doing it the right way, so I don't have any problems. I did haul another couple loads of stone down to the basement, so it's about ready. Once he moves some of the equipment, I'll order some gravel, and I can start throwing that in there. I haven't taped much while he's here because he's not so sure he wants to be on, so I haven't taped too much, but he's going to be finishing up soon. Friday, tomorrow's Thursday, and like I said, we're supposed to get some rain Friday. He is going to put the roof on, so that's kind of where we're going to be at Friday. And he just left now to pick up the roofing material. It's going to be a metal roof, forest green to match the rest of this. So I guess after this, the roof's on, doors and windows are on. Then he's got a couple other jobs. He may not put the T111 sidings out, but it will be sealed up and it'll be good until he gets there, and I can start trying to decide on how we're going to do the inside. That is a big question right now, but it's not going to be long. I'm going to have to determine what I'm going to do. This was the end of the day on Wednesday. Like I said, tomorrow's supposed to rain, so we'll see where we're at. It's Friday now. The contractor did come out yesterday and put in the windows. I did help him with the door, and I also helped him put the roof sheeting on. Okay, I'm also going to show you a little bit of the inside. So let's go. Now, obviously, I'm going to have to at some point build some sort of a deck there, something, but I still need to get more of a slope coming this way to keep the water out from the base of the basement. But let's go inside. And here is the inside with the windows. The cathedral ceiling looks nice in here. Everything's done well. These are actually 2x6 studding, and I think those are 2x10s up there. I'll have to measure them. But as you see, everything's looking pretty good. This right here is the old cabin with the window. Now, as far as a floor plan, we haven't quite, me and my wife haven't agreed on that yet. We still have the soffit and fascia to put up yet. And the outside, which I'm probably just gonna put T111 just to match what's already here. On the other addition, I mean, we want it to match and blend into each other. We do have lots of windows. The bathroom, well, this is where the door is going to be coming into the probably the kitchen area, and over here will be the bathroom area. I didn't put a window there because I wanted to see the bathroom layout first and how we decide on that. But as you see, we made a lot of progress, and I guess don't have too much else to say. Well, this is the aerial view of the new addition. As you see, we still have some work to do on the outside. I still have some grading to do. Plus, I got to put the T111 up. Soffit and fascia's got to go up yet. So there's still quite a bit of work to do on the outside to get it completely sealed up before I start on the inside. I might try to get electric. We're going to see. This is kind of the area view of the entire camp. As you see, it seems like it's mixing in quite well with the rest of the camp. It's matching up. It has, you know, like 3 peaks now, but it looks good from the road. As you see, it's a lot of green, huh? A lot of green metal roof, a nice big porch on it. But it is coming along, and we're pleased with the way it's coming. So this is the old man with the plan. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your time you've invested. And if you can, subscribe. Help an old man out. It is free, so why not? But as you continue to see, you'll see the progress of our camp / homestead. So we'll see you later.